This is Doug, KI7LIK with Douglas V Amateur Radio and more. Monitoring the YL system net. It starts at 7 p.m. Pacific, Monday through Friday, 0200 Zulu, Tuesday through Saturday. A little bit going on. It doesn't seem like it was as good as it was last night, but we'll still try and check in. KI7LIK, Kilo India 7, Lima India Kilo.
Hey, I get you pretty light there, Jim, but I got you. Good evening to you. Sounds like about right. 4647, somewhere right in there, Jim. I don't have any calls. Just want to get on the old log this evening. Saying howdy to the Allen twins there. Y'all having a good evening, Jim. Great. Roger, Jim. I had to push the button there. Okay, I'll clear with Victor Alpha 7, Juliet, Sierra Foxtrot. This is Whiskey Zero, Alfa Romeo Mike. We got a couple minutes left in the session. Anyone, anywhere, looking for check-ins. The YL system, 40 meters. Come on in, QRZ.
Kilo India 7, Lima India Kilo.
Man, there was a file up there, and I did catch a one. I think there was there an LV, a Lima Victor station? I saw you lurking on the window, and I think Jim tried to call you a bit ago. Dave, we were hoping you were going to check in. There was a guy needing a Las Vegas or Nevada station, but he actually worked a couple other fellers earlier. So, but hey, I got you on the log, Dave. A nice signal, 5-9 into Texas tonight. Over.
Anyway.
Well, I'm glad you made it in here. I saw you lurking on the monitor window there for quite a while, and like I said, I think Jim tried to give you a shout a bit ago, or either Jim or Alan. But anyway, but I got you booming in here, Dave. Got you on the log, my friend. Thanks for showing up tonight. Dave, good to hear you tonight, buddy. Booming in here. Okay, I'll break with November Victor 7, Lima Victor. There was a couple other stations calling. Anyone, anywhere, come on in with those call signs. We'll get you on the tail end of the log. QRZ.
Kilo India 7, Lima India Kilo. I repeat, KI7LIK.
Alright, there he is. Kilo India 7, Lima India Kilo. Doug, I heard you calling a bit earlier, and I think Jim tried to come back to you, but you may not have been hearing him. But I got you on the log, Doug, from Peoria. How you doing tonight, buddy?
Doing well, just trying to get back on HF more often and do some videos on it as well.
Well, Roger, hey, got you about 5 and 5 into Texas tonight, Doug. Sounded good, and I do have you on the log, man. Good to hear you, and thank you much for checking in. I'd say right along with us, but man, we are at the top of the hour, so we're going to be shutting her down here shortly. But hey, try to get in a little earlier tomorrow night. We'd love to have you on and ride along with us, okay?
Roger that. What was your call sign again?
Alfa Romeo Mike, W0ARM, and the name is Alan. Alpha Lima, Alpha November in West Texas.
Thank you, sir. Have a great evening. 73.
All right, Doug, 73 to you too, buddy. Good to hear you. Appreciate you being there. All right, break with Kilo India 7, Lima India Kilo. We're at the top of the hour, but let me take a couple more. Let me see if I can get Jim. Oh, no, he's already in there. How come he showed up on it? All right, how about Kilo 5, Foxtrot Echo Lima. Jim, how copy Whiskey Zero, Alfa Romeo Mike? Pretty light there, Alan. Pretty light, but I got you. Okay, not hearing Jim. He already on the log. He just turned blue on me here. How about Kilo 5 Whiskey Echo Lima? Jimmy, how copy in Humble, Texas? Whiskey Zero, Alfa Romeo Mike. All right, not hearing Jimmy. I'll do one more call. This will be the last one. Whiskey Zero, Alfa Romeo Mike. Call it for check-ins. YL system, 40 meter west coast. Come on in. And boom, just like that, there ain't nobody there. All right, well, it is now 0302 Zulu. And unfortunately, time to close this session of the YL International Single Sideband System. We do operate on this frequency Monday through Friday beginning at 0200 Zulu. Please visit our website at www.ylsystem.org for all of all of the other operating frequencies and for the complete system schedule. Also there on our website you'll find information about NetLogger, which is our logging tool, membership, and of course history of the YL system. I'd like to thank all of the stations who checked in here with us tonight because, well, without y'all checking in, we wouldn't have a system. So greatly appreciate it if you're here and with us right along with us tonight. For those stations that were calling and didn't make it in tonight, well, go on back in here tomorrow night at 0200 and we'd love to get you on the log. I'd also like to thank our co-control stations tonight. We had Victor Alpha 7 Juliet Sierra Foxtrot. That's Jim up in West Vancouver, British Columbia, but he's running remote through Southern California. And we had Kilo X-Ray 7 Kilo X-Ray, Mr. Allen number 1 out there in Clarkdale, Arizona. Thank you, gentlemen, for running the show here tonight. This is Whiskey Zero Alpha Romeo Mike in West Texas. Now returning to frequency 2, general amateur use, where you can't call CQ. 73s, everybody. Y'all have a great night. We'll get you in here tomorrow night at 0200. W0ARM, I'm clearing out. Good night.
This goes to show testing and trying out has gotten me to at least West Texas, Cristoval or Westval, something like that. A few YouTubers, but almost doesn't count, except in horseshoes, hand grenades, and thermonuclear devices. Have a great evening, or morning, or whatever it is when you watch this video. Yahweh bless. Have a great evening.